Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biochemistry. Start by breaking down the vast subject into manageable daily chunks. Dedicate 2 to 3 hours to each major topic, ensuring you cover foundational areas like amino acids and protein structure. Prioritize understanding versus rote memorization, using active recall techniques. This structured approach helps build a strong knowledge base efficiently. To truly master biochemistry, engage in active learning. Don't just read, actively recall information. Try drawing out complex metabolic pathways without looking at your notes, then compare your drawing. Regularly tackle practice questions to solidify your understanding and pinpoint areas needing more attention. Explaining concepts aloud also helps clarify your thoughts and identify gaps in your knowledge. Focus your efforts on the most impactful areas. Ensure a solid grasp of the 4 major biomolecules: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Dive deep into central metabolic pathways like glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation, understanding their inputs and outputs. Also, dedicate time to enzyme function, regulation, and their crucial roles in health and disease. For your final push, consolidate all your notes into a concise summary sheet, perfect for a quick review of key facts and formulas. Remember, adequate rest and a healthy diet are just as crucial as studying for optimal brain function. And speaking of staying sharp, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated and focused. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.